Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious zucchini rolls. First, choose 2 to 3 medium-sized zucchinis that are firm and fresh. Wash them thoroughly, then carefully slice each zucchini lengthwise into very thin strips, ideally about 1/8 of an inch thick. A mandolin slicer works wonderfully for achieving consistent thickness. Lay the slices on paper towels, sprinkle them with a pinch of salt, and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This step helps remove excess water, making your rolls less watery and more pliable. Now, let's prepare the flavorful filling for your zucchini rolls. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy ricotta cheese with 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh basil and 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Stir in about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and a small pinch of garlic powder. Season the mixture with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything together until it's well combined and smooth. This savory blend will be the heart of your rolls. With your zucchini slices prepped and your filling ready, it's time to assemble these delightful rolls. First, gently pat the zucchini slices completely dry with paper towels to remove any remaining moisture. Take 1 zucchini strip and place about 1 tablespoon of the ricotta filling near one end. Carefully and firmly roll the zucchini strip from that end, creating a neat, compact roll. Repeat this process for all your zucchini slices until all the filling is used up. You should get about 12 to 15 rolls. Finally, let's get these delicious zucchini rolls ready for the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the assembled zucchini rolls snugly in a baking dish. Pour about 1 cup of your favorite marinara sauce over the rolls, ensuring they are lightly covered. Bake for approximately 20 minutes or until the rolls are heated through and the sauce is bubbly. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh basil leaves before serving. These make a fantastic appetizer or a light side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.